Efectiv Project Pump review. Let's get straight into it with the flavour. This is Ultimate White and it's their White Monster flavour. Now for me, this is bang on 10 out of 10 if you're going to drink it with some chilled or iced water. If it's just like out of the tap, it doesn't quite hit, so I kind of give it a 7 out of 10, but you just drink it with chilled water and it's absolutely amazing. Gives a little bit of a tingly sensation on the tongue, and yeah, it is lovely to drink. So cost is £1.40 per serving. If you use our discount code of WRU20, that's a massive 20% off the whole of the Efectiv website. And yeah, that is cheaper than average. Your average price is like £1.50 to £2 for a decent pump product. So it is a good price. So the 20% gets it to £28 for a tub for 20 servings. Okay, normally for a pump non-stim product, you talk about the pump first, but the massive standout here for me is the focus, and it's reminding me how much I love the ingredient phenylalanine. I can think of one other product that it's in that I absolutely love, and yeah, it's reminding me, I completely forgot about it as an ingredient because it's not in many other products, but that combined with those other 3 ingredients gives me an insane focus. You get a tunnel vision, you get so in the zone. It's like your music is in Ultra HD, like you just block out everything else other than your music, like you can hear parts of a song that you didn't know was there, and it just allows you to, when you're lifting your weights, to have such ridiculously good form that you have like an amazing workout. So yeah, I cannot speak highly enough of this focus. In terms of the pump, it was kind of hard to think about the pump because I was so focused on the weights and the music and stuff. I had to remind myself to check on how good the pump was. I'd say it's not quite tier 1. I tend to put these into 3 tiers. I'd say it's kind of 1.5, maybe a 2. I'd probably lean towards 1.5. But the reason I say 1.5 is because you do look really big, so you do get really full, and you get a bit veiny as well. I'd just say that you don't get that feeling that you sometimes get with some pump products, that you feel really pumped, and it might be because of that focus. And for me, that is a trade-off I would happily pay. Last thing to say really is that, yes, this is a non-stim, but you do get a sense of energy when you take it. That's kind of like your first feeling, the sense of energy. You know, not a massive hit of energy because obviously it's a non-stim, but it feels like you've had like 100 milligrams of caffeine or something. So you get a bit of energy, you get that focus coming in quite quickly, and the pump probably is like a delayed one. It probably doesn't kick in properly until sort of 45 minutes to an hour, which actually it does say that you should take 30 minutes, 45 minutes for the full serving. So yeah, I definitely take notice of that.